Today we're diving into the world of sewing with a beginner's guide to basic stitches. Whether you're just starting your sewing journey or need a refresher, this video will cover everything you need to know to get those stitches just right. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing, so if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's get started. All right, let's start with the most fundamental stitch, the running stitch. It's just your normal straight stitch. So this is how this top line right here is what your running stitch looks like. Your running stitch is the perfect stitch for just basic seams or gathering fabric. To do this, simply pass the needle in and out of the fabric in a straight line. Make sure your stitches are evenly spaced for a neat finish. Here's a tip: keep your stitches small and even for a more polished look. Next up is the backstitch. A backstitch is great for creating strong seams, and it's a bit more durable than the running stitch. To do this, start by making a small stitch forward, then go back a stitch length and come forward again. Repeat this process to create a solid line of stitching. Back stitches are used at the beginning and end of seams to kind of secure those stitches so that your seam does not come undone. It adds some strength to those seams because you're running over your stitches. So this stitch is great for seams that need some extra strength. So now let's add another essential stitch to your toolkit, the zigzag stitch. You're going to be using this one a lot. You'll mainly use it for when you need your fabric to kind of stretch. It's used for finishing seams to prevent fraying if you don't have a serger, and it's also very good for stretchy fabrics. So if you're sewing with stretchy fabrics, you don't have a serger, you're going to sew it all on your sewing machine. The zigzag stitch allows for your fabric to stretch and recover without breaking the thread. If you try to sew on stretchy fabric with just a straight stitch and you stretch it out, it's going to break the thread. It's going to break that seam. But a zigzag allows it to stretch and recover and not break it. You can also adjust the width and length of your zigzag to create different zigzags. And the zigzag stitch can be used for decorative purposes. You can use different thread colors to kind of make it pop. And there you have it, 3 basic stitches to get you started on your sewing journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be scared to experiment and try different techniques to kind of figure out what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials. Leave a comment down below with any questions you have. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.